In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 reasons why you can make money online with Pinterest in 2022. Intro. Whoop! Just a reminder to check out the first link in my bio because I show you the fastest and easiest way to make money online. There are literally thousands taking advantage of this system, and many are earning their first commissions faster than I have ever seen before. Make sure to check it out. Pinterest is by far one of the most underestimated platforms for getting traffic. And for those who do not know, getting traffic just means eyeballs on a certain offer, eyeballs on a certain website. Traffic just means getting people to a certain something. Now, before I jump into the 3 reasons to make money with Pinterest in 2022 coming up, I just wanted to go over a bunch of cool statistics about Pinterest in general and why it's such an awesome platform. I'm just going to go through these quickly, but Pinterest is the 14th largest social network in the world. 459 million monthly active users, so that's a lot of people, right? They're continuing to grow. If you look right here, this is a really neat statistic, and I'll tell you why. When I first heard about Pinterest, I only seen it from my wife, and like a lot of people use it for like decorations, cake ideas, arts and crafts, and in the past it's been very much dominated by women, and at this moment it still kind of is, but it's not that at all. It's not just for women. As you can see here, it says 60% women and then 40% male, so the gender difference is becoming more in the middle, right? So nearly 50%, which is really good. And then over here, the younger generations are starting to use it more and more, which is awesome. Now, 82% of people are on mobile, 1 billion videos a day on Pinterest, which is huge. 95% of the top searches on Pinterest are unbranded. 85% of Pinners say that they use Pinterest to plan new projects. But more than anything, what I really want you to understand is that people go on Pinterest, and many of them are making buying decisions. They're ready to purchase something if they see something that they like, or they want to invest in something. So that's a really interesting fact when you consider all these different platforms and social medias. Pinterest is a great place for someone to buy or purchase something. Now, when I talk about Pinterest, what is so neat about it compared to social media with Instagram, with TikTok, with Facebook, where when you post on there, it basically goes away really fast. So you have to continually pump out content. Otherwise, you basically become irrelevant. And so there's only a few different kind of search engines. One of them is Google. That's the number 1. Number 2 is YouTube. But also, what you can rank for pins on Pinterest on Google. Like, so the shelf life is a lot higher. Shelf life just basically means how long your content is on there for, how long it's available for. And because it's searchable, people can say, how can I make money online? And pins can come up on Google. How can I decorate this cake? The pins can come up for that. So no matter what niche you are in, no matter if you're into real estate, if you're into digital marketing, if you're into affiliate marketing, if you're into sports, you can make pins and you can rank online for that. So the more pins you do, the more obviously chance you have to rank. So that's the first one. It is searchable. And the second one, the shelf life is much longer than social media. Now, the third reason is, like I kind of mentioned before, people are looking to buy when they're using the app. So it's not just because people are typing in a question, they're literally looking for the answers to those questions. So if you can solve those problems that these people are having, then there's a good chance that you can, get a lead or get a conversion or get a sale. And then they will be happy. The company that you're an affiliate for will be happy, and you will be happy because you can get commissions. Now, one huge thing that I see people run into when they want to start an online business, when they want to get into affiliate marketing, is exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm putting my face on YouTube. I put my face on TikTok. I put my face on Instagram. I have to get a lot more comfortable being on video, but not everyone wants to be on video. And that's a huge question that I get all the time. And I would say this is the final and best thing and reason why Pinterest is a good platform for you to start, especially if you don't want to show your face. Because if you go down here, I have some of my videos, you know, where I show my face, but then I also have videos where I don't show my face. You know, these are short videos that I don't not show my face at all. And so I'll show you some examples here, like how to make money with on Pinterest with affiliate links. This video right here has gotten 5.9 thousand impressions and 56 clicks, and 32 people have pinned it. And I did not show my face at all. And so there's people that make literally hundreds of these. If you make like 5 to 10 of these a day, you will start to rank your stuff online, right? See how to make funnels. I started to do some of these pins just to test them out, just to see. Obviously some do really good, some do really bad, some don't get any clicks at all. But that's for you to kind of decide, right? You can make like these right here, free ways to make money as a teen, by simply just going to canva.com. If you guys don't know what Canva is, it's basically like a way to do a bunch of graphics, like templates and everything like that. I can literally just go to Pinterest. Let's see, Pinterest pin. You can click on this, and you can look at all these different templates that are already done for you, like this one. I'm pretty sure that one of the pins I showed you before was from this template. You just click on that, and you can make money selling digital products. You can make money, you know, in whatever you want to do. You can make cakes very simply, and then you just put in your link right here, and then these can rank on Google. So when people click on this on Google, it goes to wherever you want them to go. Now, the cool thing about this, let's say that my passion and interest is, let's say, cake decorating. What you can do is you can go to places like ClickBank or other things like that, but you can always just simply Google search cake decorating affiliate programs. You can put anything online and put affiliate program, and you can find, like for example, it says right here, 10 cake decorating affiliate programs for sweet commissions. That's a pun, that's a play on words right there with sweet. And it literally just, you know, this is just one of many. You can do your research, you can do your due diligence and check these things out. But you can become an affiliate for these different programs, right? They give you 10%, 50%, 10%, 30%, 20%. And you can literally go through these and see if this is something that you want to promote. And then all you have to do is go to Pinterest and then look for a template that you like. And like, for example, you could do this one. You could click on this. And while you're waiting, I'm waiting right here, all you have to do is like click this and edit it. Put a picture of a cake on here, okay? And then all of a sudden when you post it on your Pinterest account, you just go to create, you do create pin, you put your picture that you just made on Pinterest, you add a title to it that's searchable, and then you add a description. And then guess what, right here, when you become an affiliate for this program, they will give you an affiliate link. All you have to do is slap your affiliate link on here. That's it. So these are the 3 biggest reasons to make money with Pinterest in 2022. Hopefully it helped out. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and leave a comment down below with any questions, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now check out these 2 videos as well, and if not, we'll see you in the next one. All right, thanks, bye.